You are claiming business income and expenses, and that business you are running from home, and now you want to claim your home office expense. How TaxTron Web will help you to claim your home office expense. Home office expense statement is next to the motor vehicle statement. After putting your income and expenses and motor vehicle expenses, you will click next at the bottom of the statement of motor vehicle expense. The statement of home office expense will open and you will answer this question. Did you use your home office for business? Click yes. That module will open for you. You will enter the area used for business purpose. In most of the case, if you are using your basement, that consists of 30% of your total home. But if you are allocating a room for your business in your home, then maximum you can claim 15% of the home office. You can claim home heat, and you will enter the full year heating cost. You will enter full year electricity cost. You will enter the home insurance for the year. If there is any home maintenance cost, you will enter. And mortgage interest. So not the mortgage payment, it will be mortgage interest only for the year. The property tax for the year. And if there is any other expense, for example, water, you will enter the water cost for the year.
Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out our other videos on our TaxTron channel. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to receive more videos. See you next time.